Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 13. When an ionic bond is broken, bonding electrons are A. Shared between participating atoms, B. Gained by the most electropositive atom, C. Gained by the most electronegative atom, D. Lost by both participating atoms. So what we are looking at here is an ionic bond, and an ionic bond is also known as an electrovalent bond. Now it is formed, or it involves the transfer of electrons from one atom, which is usually the metallic atom, to another atom, which is usually the non-metallic atom. Now the bonds formed are known as electrovalent or ionic bonds, and an example is the bond you have in sodium chloride between sodium and chloride. So this is an example of a compound that has electrovalent bonds. Now when the bond is broken, when an ionic bond is broken, what happens is that the most electronegative atom gains the bonding electrons. So for example, you have sodium chloride, the bonds between these two broken. What we have just said is that the most electronegative atom, which in this case is chloride, which is more electronegative, will gain the free electron. So the free electron, which is just one electron from sodium, will be gained by chloride, the chloride ion, or the most electronegative atom, which is the chlorine atom, and it will achieve stability. So this is because the electronegative atom has higher affinity, higher electron affinity. So option C, gained by the most electronegative atom, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.